In this video, we will extend some more topics, and we will talk about the row span, how we can use row span attribute in the table tag. So for the row span, if you want to merge two or more than two cells together, so you can use row span for that. We can also use call span. So if you want to merge 2, 3, 4 or some more cells of rows, so you can do that. Row span, you want to merge two cells of column, so you can use call span for that. So let's see both how do they work. So now we have the table format like this. So we want to merge these three cells together, and I want to write total marks as 1,000 for all. So how can I merge these 1, 2, 3 rows total marks together? So let's see. For that reason, I need to remove this align and this align attribute. So control S that, and now you can merge this 1,000 and this 1,000 and this 1,000. So the code editor will automatically recognize that I have removed this cell, this tag, and also this tag, because we know that first, second, third, and fourth is the total marks attribute tag, and for this 1,000, if I write row span is equal to, so I want to extend this 1,000 with this, replace with this and with this, because it automatically knows that on the fourth number I have a call span, like I want to merge three cells, and it will be merged with this and with this, the fourth one, automatically. So let's refresh the page, and now if I refresh the page, so you can see that this page, these 1,000 total marks has been merged, and these all cell has been merged. So this address is also unique. If both persons are coming from the same place, so I can also merge this address together. So how can I do that? On the third number I have address tag, and I want to remove this and this address also. So what I need to do, I need to refresh the page, and I need to write row span main row, and I need to write 3, because there are 3 participants, and there are 3 participants I want to merge there. So you can see that the address is also being merged, and the total marks is also unique for all, similar for all. So I have replaced them. So next we have, if I want to merge, this is vertically I have merged. If I want to merge this horizontally, how can I do that? For that reason, if I want to merge, so I want to remove the caption, and I want to write that caption inside the table. So for that, I need to create one row, table row, and I need to replace this with table H, mean table heading, and I need to write call span. Call span, and how many column do I have? So how many column do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 column. So what I need to do, I need to write 6, and student record. So let's see. Now refresh the page. Now you can see that I have written a table row, and I have given a table row. Inside table row, I place the heading, and I can see that I have skipped 6 cells, and all cells are merged. So if I want to make it bold, so what I need to do, I need to place this student inside bold tag, and I want to replace this inside the bold tag. And let's refresh the page, and now you can see that it's already bold. The next tag we have a table group tags. In table group tags, if you want to organize your table data or the table heading or the table footer in organized way, so you can use a table heading for table head for table heading, and table body for the table data, and footer also organize your table as a footer. So let's see how we can do. So we have already one table data, so I need to replace this table and copy that and paste that. So I have a table with the named with the table copy, and I need to write the table with the table group. So let's make that table group, and now we can see that we have the complete and same table. If you want to make the group of this table, so how we can do that? For that we need to write t head, and you need to copy this table heading inside, cut that and write it inside the table heading. So now you have that this is the table heading, and if you want to write organize your table data and table t body, and you want to write all your table data inside that table body, so you can write that, and you can cut that, and you can write your table body data inside table body. And if you want to put your table data into table footer, if you want to create your table footer, means tr, and you need to create tr for that, and also table data. For table data, you need to copy some table data, copy that, and you need to refresh that, and now you have the table data inside this data. So what you can do that you need to remove that and remove this, so you have pure your data inside a table footer. So you need to refresh this with only you name total names and father names, and you can repeat total addresses and total marks, and you can add average marks and also average date of birth dates. So let's refresh the page. You will have some kind of data. Okay, let's remove some call spans. Okay, so let's remove some call spans, and you need to remove this call span. What you need to do? Okay. So this is the table data, and we have the table body inside that table. What we need to do, we need to copy the path and paste over here, because it was the previous file. So now you can see that we have table like this. We have merged these cells, and we have the footer data. So if you want to make this data bold, so what you need to do, you need to make the data bold. For that reason, you need to place this as a header, table heading. Okay, you need to write. For that reason, you need to make this. You need to press Alt button, and you need to select each tag and save that, and now refresh the page. So let's see the result. Oh, we have made the data bold, and now we have the footer over here.